Welcome to Mommy Ray and Kiara's educational videos. Hi kids! Today, we will review the Asian countries and their capital cities. Afghanistan. The capital city of Afghanistan is Kabul. Armenia. The capital city of Armenia is Yerevan. Bahrain. The capital city of Bahrain is Manama. Bangladesh. The capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Bhutan. The capital city of Bhutan is Thimphu. Brunei. The capital city of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. Myanmar. The capital city of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. Cambodia. The capital city of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. China. The capital city of China is Beijing. Georgia. The capital city of Georgia is Tbilisi. India. The capital city of India is New Delhi. Indonesia. The capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta. Iran. The capital city of Iran is Tehran. Iraq. The capital city of Iraq is Baghdad. Israel. The capital city of Israel is Jerusalem. Japan. The capital city of Japan is Tokyo. Jordan. The capital city of Jordan is Amman. Kazakhstan. The capital city of Kazakhstan is Astana. Laos. The capital city of Laos is Vientiane. Lebanon. The capital city of Lebanon is Beirut. Malaysia. The capital city of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Maldives. The capital city of Maldives is Male. Mongolia. The capital city of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. Nepal. The capital city of Nepal is Kathmandu. Oman. The capital city of Oman is Muscat. Pakistan. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. Philippines. The capital city of Philippines is Manila. Qatar. The capital city of Qatar is Doha. Russia. The capital city of Russia is Moscow. Saudi Arabia. The capital city of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Singapore. The capital city of Singapore is Singapore. Sri Lanka. The capital city of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Syria. The capital city of Syria is Damascus. Taiwan. The capital city of Taiwan is Taipei. Thailand. The capital city of Thailand is Bangkok. Timor-Leste. The capital city of Timor-Leste is Dili. Turkey. The capital city of Turkey is Ankara. United Arab Emirates or UAE. The capital city of UAE is Abu Dhabi. Uzbekistan. The capital city of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. Vietnam. The capital city of Vietnam is Hanoi. Yemen. The capital city of Yemen is Sana'a. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Please subscribe to our channel, click like and notification buttons so you can help us prepare more educational videos. This has been Mommy Ray and Kiara.